Hey friends, in this video I want to share with you something very special for me. Yesterday I finally decided to open source the main part of my Agentic Playwright test automation framework. For the last year I was building it, curating it, maintaining it, and also extending it, and finally I am satisfied with the results. Now you can see it on your screen. This is the Agentic Playwright test automation framework. And here you can see what is actually behind the scenes. This is code quality you will receive without using such framework. And below you can see the code quality you will receive once you start using it. For the last year, I understand quite a few things that are important for building agentic test automation frameworks. One of these things is the harness. You can think about the harness as everything that stays once you move from vendor to vendor or you change the agent you are going to use. The other important part is the loop. It is the outer loop because every agent has its own inner loop that is controlled by the vendor. You should spend much time developing the outer loop because this is how you are going to use the agents. There are many concepts how you can fight the context void in the right way, how you can provide all the context that your agent needs by using progressive disclosure, and also to fight context rot. These topics are very complex and I will create separate videos to cover them in details. But today I just want to share with you the scaffold and how you can start using it today. Here we're on a clean repository. I also created an npm package, so it is easier than ever to use it. You just type npm create agentic-playwright space dot, and the prompt is starting. We want to proceed. And now you can see that the prompt is asking us for Claude Code. We want Claude Code, we want cursor rules, we want GitHub Copilot, and we want the public demo. It installs all the dependencies. Now you can see that we're running the smoke verification tests. And everything is passing, so we have a success. We have the .cloud folder, which contains all the necessary skills. We have the cursor folder with cursor rules and all the skills needed. And we also have GitHub where we have our instructions. Additionally, in the root directory, we have our cloud, which is our main orchestrator. There is one additional thing you can do. You can just type the following command: npm create agentic-playwright space dot space dash dash space dash dash demo, and you won't receive any prompting and you will receive everything as a whole package. So this is everything for now. Stay tuned for future videos where I will cover most of the concepts gathered during building, curating, maintaining, and extending the repository. And from now on, you can give it a try, check it, and see if it is working for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also you can check the repository and add any comments you have about it. See you. Cheers.